Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Happy New Year. This is Donald B. And today, for our next Canva project, we're going to work on presentations. Presentations is something very important, especially if you want to try to create some kind of proposal for a company that you're trying to reach out to, or just some kind of presentation. Whatever you're trying to do, even in school, anything like that, we're going to do presentations. Now, there was one I already wanted to do, which was this one. This was one of the templates that you can choose from. So just like if you click on this right here, you can start from one of the templates. You can just pick here if you want to. There's a whole lot of options on here. Makes your life easy if you want to pick one. The one I liked was this one, so I just going to click on this real quick. Now, here's what I always find cool. You can pick any of the templates they have here, right? Or you can create your own thing, which like you see is a blank screen, and you have all the things here on the left to get you started. But I'm going to pick from the template, like this one. It's about me. As you can see here, this is what it says about me. Lorem ipsum dolor. I'm just joking. You can come in here and rewrite everything that's in here. So if I like double click on this page, you can just start typing and say, hello, my name is Donald B. How are you today? Can't spell. Today. And it's just that simple. You can just put that in there. Anything you want to type, boom. It's pretty simple, right? Now, let's come over here to Connor Hamilton. Who is Connor Hamilton? I don't know. So we're going to make this about me. Donald, Donlad. Donald B. Bam. Here we go. Now, I want to click some pictures that I've uploaded. I have a bunch of folders here that I've already uploaded some information, which is my selfies here. If you want to know how to create folders, I'll show you that one day. But let's just pick one of these pictures. I'm kind of silly and just goofy like. I'm going to just go with this one. And all I got to do is hover right over here, boom, replaces it. Just like that. You see that? Let's reverse that. Okay? This is some form of frame, and usually when you put a picture in from a frame, it actually hugs that picture and just basically selects it and puts it in it. Boom, boom. I didn't do much. It just all I did was hover right over it and it just takes a picture. That's all I had to do. Nothing special. All right. So boom, just like that. Donald B. It's about me. Hello, my name is Donald B. How are you today? Now, you're saying, is that it? No, this is not it, because you can come right down here and hit the plus button, and now you can create more templates. So you go back to the design. That's where I went. So right here, I was at projects, but then I went back to design. And here, now I can select more things. And right here, you have a content. Whatever you want to create your things about. Introduction, about, anything you see where numbers are or words, you can retype that. You don't have to keep that there. This whole frame here, you don't have to keep this frame. You can change it out. Like this. If you don't want to see this anymore, you just hit delete. Bam. Now, if you want to put it back, hit this undo or hit Control Z. Or, if you want to have more of these, just put one down here. Just hit duplicate. That's what this means, to duplicate. Simple, right? I don't think this is too hard of a project or idea for you all to do. This is something really simple, and I've done several of these before for myself. So that's one thing you can do. If you want to add another page, and then let's say you want to add something different. Let's say you just want to change it completely and use maybe this. Just understand that anything you use can be replaced. Anything. I mean anything. Just click on it. Anything. If this is just one set, yeah, just you can replace that. This is like what? A group of students, or I don't know, target audience. Let's go here. Let's go to elements and let's type in the word target audience. Let's see what comes up with. Oh, we got more options. So if you don't want this, then you can probably come in here and hit this. Remove that. Just hit the trash. Bring this here. Spread it out some more. Make it bigger. Come up here if you want to change the color. Make that white. Boom, you can make it white. Now, not every element that you have in here, when you select this, not everything in here, you can change the color on. And this is the part where some of frames. Like if you see anything like this with clouds in the background, this is some form of frame that you can use. So if I wanted to take this here So if I want to make a like a logo type picture or a profile, let's just move this out of the way. Just move this here, move this here, move this. I can circle that there again. Let's say let's do a profile picture. Let's go back to my projects and let's take this just like that. See, I didn't do anything. I didn't do much. It just hugs it, just takes it, just just hover right over it, just like that. Boom, just like that. Boom. It's not hard. Just takes it. Profile picture. I know I look crazy. But like I said, this is something you can really easily do. You can do more pages if you want to. Now you're probably wondering like how do you present this? Alright, so if you look here in the top right hand corner where it says present, next to share, so click on present. And now this is where it is. Present full screen. You have presenter view, present and record or autoplay. So let's go ahead and present. And then booyakacha. Just like that. And just you see how that goes? And right now I'm just hitting the arrows on my keyboard. That's the first page. That's the second page. That's the third page. And now I hit escape. Escapes back you out of it. And just like that. Now here's my question. Because I don't know. Presenter view. What is this? Ah, okay, that's different. Present and record. So you can record and autoplay. So view your notes and upcoming slides. Okay, so that's probably kind of cool. So if you move this, enter full screen mode. Okay. But I don't want to hit full screen mode. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, you can add notes and everything here. Look at that. So if you want to click here, put your notes that you want to talk about in there. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. Just like that. That's all we want to present with this. I like this. This is a good idea. This is a good, quick little review for you guys. Present and record. Of course, it means to record. Record yourself as you present. Alright, I'm not going to present anything right now, so that's pretty cool. So I hope you guys liked that. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to continue posting more things. If there's anything that you guys want to know and want to learn, please put it down in the comments, and I will definitely do what I can to make sure that we can get you what you need to know. I will make sure that I will teach you what you need to know. So please feel free, let me know, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. And as always, it's not deuces, it's doses.